Hi guys, it's Dabble on Memes here, and here's my controller. It's pretty cracked, isn't it? So let's just see it. Now the second one. Yeah, I'm really big, bro. I mean, by the way guys, if you don't know what I'm doing, I'm just talking to my friends on the Xbox. Okay, I'm joining the party too, bro. I don't know where to go. Shut up. No, that's not me. I'm dabbling on memes. I'm gonna type LOL, and then there'll be a video of someone saying, "What's my name?" and it'll be like, "Bitch." LOL. Just type in dabbling on memes. LOL. Oh, shit. Dab on 'em memes. LOL. Oh no, I'm so good. And by the way, I'm not a PG channel, by the way. I sometimes swear. You're good, though. Pretty nice. You should see a guy who's got like really long hair, kind of. A kid who's got really long hair. Once you type that in, and then at the start it's like someone saying biatch, and I'll do it. Hot. Oh crap, no. Guys, how do you think I should end my video? Yo, I just want to tell you guys who are watching this video, goodbye guys.